All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted grill set that we just had done for a customer. And check that out. This is real 925 sterling silver, guys. And it's a 6 top, 6 bottom teeth. Super shiny, beautiful grill set, handmade, guys, for perfect fit. It is available on our website, blingcartel.com. You can choose either a top or bottom or a set. You have the option of how many teeth you want to do. It's all very customizable right on our website, blingcartel.com, guys. Here's the back side. They snap right on your teeth there. They lock in real nice, snap in. Very, very nice grills, guys. Check it out, blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching, and as always, y'all have a good one.